Hi, everybody. I am making another wonderful drink for you today. And this one right here is going to get your panties wet and all of that. So anyway, I'm telling you, you better make that call. Or you better tell your husband that it's on tonight because this right here is going to make it all happen. And now we're going to make the Hunch Punch. So let's get started.
Okay, friends, first you want to go ahead and put in all your fruit in your beverage container. I'm adding in some oranges, some lemons, some mangoes, some apples, some kiwi, and some strawberry. But your palette or just fruit that you want to add in is whatever it is that you would like to do for your drink. So I added in some strawberry simple syrup, some mango simple syrup, about 1/4 of a cup of each. I'm adding in about 2 cups of tequila, or 3 depending on you. I'm adding in some mango Malibu rum, and that is about 1/2 bottle. I'm also adding in about 1/2 bottle of Ciroc berry vodka as well. I'm adding in an entire bottle of the passion fruit Alize, and then I'm going to be adding in some fruit punch and some tropical punch. Now, once you stir all this together, if it is not sweet enough for you, add a little bit more of the mango simple syrup in there. But it should be pretty I'm telling you, this drink is going to get you right, like my friends were saying, and also have you dropping your panties as well. Or your drawers. Anyway, you guys, this has been terrific. Thank you for watching. Drink responsibly. And as always, I would like to say, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.